So hi, good evening everyone. So I'm Bench and this is Patricia, newlywed from Lazuri. So nag-start to na we were having a staycation dito sa Tagaytay. And then it wasn't planned but we saw sa Facebook na meron food tasting and ocular. That's why we already had plans na magpakasal kaso di namin alam talaga kung saan. So we took this opportunity na to give it a try. So from food tasting, the food tasted good. Yun pa lang, check na sa amin. And then we saw the venue, check ulit. And then everything went smoothly from Jandom and all the coordinators helping us until this day, until we reach this day. No? Maraming salamat pa rin, sa Lazuri for giving us a very smooth transaction from start to the end po. So yun, so maraming salamat po kay lahat.
Highly recommended po yung Lazuri. Very helpful and resourceful na lahat nandito na. Yan lang.